to show you how to prepare garlic soup. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment, share, and click the notification button so that you get my content every time I post. Ingredients that I'm going to use are 3 grated garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, corn flour, a 1/2 cup, and water. Let's get to the next step. In this step, I'm going to add the corn flour in a bowl. Then I add some water and mix nicely. And make sure that it doesn't have lumps. It's ready. I'm going to set it aside. At this stage, I'm going to add some cooking oil in my cooking pot. 1 tablespoon is okay. Then I'm going to add my garlic. And stir fry. You can see it has started browning. You can see it has browned. At this stage, I'm going to add the corn flour. And keep on turning. When you stir and find out like it's thick, you add some water so that you get a smooth consistency. After that, I'm going to add the black pepper and the salt. Keep turning. You can see how it looks. You can see how it looks. I'll let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, then it will. 5 minutes later, it's ready. You can see how lovely it looks. So guys, my garlic soup is ready. There it is. You can see how lovely it looks. I prefer to take this garlic soup when it's very hot. You should try out and let me know how it will turn out. Also, there are some soups that I've done. I've done pumpkin soup and potato soup. If you watch this video until the end, you'll see at the end screen there'll be those recipes. You can also check out and try them out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.